Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in open TikTok application. At the homepage of TikTok, you need to tap on create icon, that is plus icon on bottom of the screen. You tap on it. Now to upload the video from the gallery, you need to tap on the upload option on bottom of the right screen. Here you can go in for selecting any video that you want to upload. After you select it, you tap on next. In this video, you can add any effects you want to. You can also add a sound and also can text on it. You also can use various filters you want to. Also can use stickers. After you are done, you tap on next. Then you go in for providing the hashtags you want to and you can post it in your profile. This is how you can upload video on TikTok from gallery. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to upload video on TikTok from gallery. Thank you.